Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today I'm sitting in Brentwood car park, the Sainsbury's car park to be specific. Wow, I can't speak today. And we're gonna go charity shopping. I have been to Basildon charity. Oh my gosh, I literally can't speak today. I have been to Brentwood charity shops before, but I'm doing a big thrifty trip coming up, and I want to just scope it fully out so I know like the ins and outs of all it, because I am meant to be the tour guide of the day. And although I have thrifted in Brentwood probably 3 or 4 times, I don't know it too well. Plus the scent store here at the moment, my manager's been going in and popping in and working there for a bit, so I'm curious to see what she's done with it. And also she said that they underpriced things, so I'm excited to go see the underpriced goods. I am looking for stuff for my challenge with Charity Shop Gal on Instagram. We're doing a thrifty challenge. Make sure you follow me on there because that's where all kind of the challenges, giveaways and stuff kind of happen. And also I'm doing a challenge with the Thrifted Threads, aka Hannah, and I got to find her an outfit. I have already got 2 pieces. They are a bit mixed match though, so I need to find a full outfit for Hannah under £15. Luckily me and Hannah are the same size, so if I buy stuff and it doesn't work out, I can just wear it and keep it. But let's go pay for the car park because I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a ticket from just sitting here. Let's go. Okay, it's quite windy, so I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear me. As I said, the wind starts. I paid for 2 hours on the parking. I've set a timer on my phone, so don't forget. Top tip, if anyone's like lose track of time when they're shopping. So there is a shop here that I've never managed to get into. It's always closed. It's like a little independent one though, and I'm really going to try and get to it today because I'm hoping, times I normally comes like a weekend, so like some aren't open on a weekend, which is fair. But I'm hoping, as today is a Wednesday, and it is kind of, I don't know, 11 o'clock, hopefully it is going to be open. No idea, but let's go see. It looks quite small, maybe a bit jumble sale-y, which you guys know I love because I normally underpriced stuff. But yes, let's go. Also for size reference, I need to get stuff for Hannah that's similar size to me, which is very practical. I'm going down these creepy stairs. But yes, I'm excited for this big thrifty trip. If I upload this, it will be earlier in the trip, so if you do want to come, then go onto the Instagram post, comment on it, and then I'll add you to the group. Still not managed to get into it, but I have got a picture of the opening hours, so hopefully we'll be able to get to it eventually. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking because of the wind. Okay, I got something for Hannah, which means I think the outfit's done. I just need an accessory. But I'm actually thinking the bag I'd got for Hannah, which I don't think goes with the outfit, I can give away for the Charity Shop Girl challenge because that was a bag won on that one. So, I think I've sorted it out. Next is my favourite. It's a Reloved Havens. So, let's go in. Okay, the whole just buying things for other people didn't work. I just bought a pair of earrings myself, but to be honest, I could give one of them to Hannah. I'm just not sure if Hannah's like a big earring person. Hannah, if you're watching, are you a big earring person? The charity shop gift card's always a bit funny to take in some shops. Bless her, she was really struggling, but she called another store and they took it off of their till, so it worked. But next up is scents. This one I need to have a proper nosy around because obviously I work in a scents billericay, or volunteer in a scents billericay. So I need to have a little nosy at this one and sort of compare. But still looking for bric-a-brac for like basic homeware. I need a fiction book and potentially a new bag for Hannah because I think I'm going to give the bag that I got for Hannah to the giveaway. I'm saying it's a giveaway, I'm just spoiling it on Instagram that it's going to be a giveaway because we haven't actually announced that yet, but it's a giveaway. Okay, so no luck in scents. There was an amazing pair of Public Desire heels, which are in Hannah's size, but they just don't go with the outfit. So far I've got green trousers, a white blouse. So, and I want to keep it kind of like a work from home kind of vibe. So I'm thinking trainers. I really want to find her some Converse because I know her Converse are broke. So ideally, if I could find some Converse that are in her size, I think that would be really good, but not sure I'm going to be able to. So I'm walking down this side of the road. I think there's a cancer research, and then I'll cross and do all the ones on the other side. I have only got, not sure if you can hear me, like an hour and 10 minutes, so I need to be a lot quicker. Okay, so nothing in cancer research either, so that's not great, but I'm really looking for specific things now. So definitely makes shopping a little bit harder rather than just kind of browsing. So for Hannah's budget, we've got £15. I've spent £8.95 so far, so I still do have probably enough money to find a pair of shoes. They did have a pair of Converse in the Dogs Trust I just went in, like the first one, but they're a size 5, which is her size, but didn't have a price on, and I just have a feeling they're going to charge me a lot in there because that shop generally charges a lot more. So I'm just walking down to the end. There used to be a charity shop down here. I have a feeling I've got a bigger, nicer one up there now, so I've stopped this one. But I'm going to check now. This is the one thing I did kind of want to scope out before I bring all the girls here, because that is kind of the thing I needed to know. So, okay, we're going to see if there's a shop down here. If not, walk back up, do Oxfam, Sue Ryder, St Francis, Hospice, and another one, which name's escaping me, British Heart Foundation. Okay, I don't think it's here. I think we can go back up. Okay, so I got a bag in there, which is really good. Now going to St Francis Hospice. Yeah, I got a bag in there which can go with the outfit, or could go for the giveaway for the charity shop gal thing. So now I've got about £4-ish to spend on Hannah's shoes. Okay, so I accidentally brought soap for me again, which was not what I'm aiming to do, but it'll go really cute with my pink trousers. Anyway, off to Sue Ryder, where I'm hoping I'll find the bric-a-brac and maybe the book. But I kind of think that fiction books are quite personal about what you like. If I get like a pretty book that even if you don't like reading will be like aesthetically pleasing on a shelf, that's the angle I think I'm going to go down. There's nothing in Sue Ryder apart from some very rude people. I'll talk about it when I get in the car because I have a lot of opinions about this, and I feel like people don't really know. Maybe I'll do a whole video on like shopping in charity shops and the etiquette of shopping in charity shops, because people don't seem to know. People are so rude, and it like grinds my gears. I felt so bad for the poor man working there. Basically, oh no, I'll explain it in the car because I'll explain it better in the car. Off British Heart Foundation now. I did see a lamp actually. I saw a lamp that I liked. Basically, my friend Emily, she's been on the channel before. She's got a lovely house, and only issue is she doesn't have a lamp. So when we're chilling around there in the evenings, it's either like the big light, which is too much light, or the kitchen light, which again is kind of too bright. So she wants a lamp, basically. So I said, I will look out for her in the charity shops for a lamp. She kind of ideally wants a floor lamp, but there's a lovely kind of table lamp in there. It was only £8. It was quite reasonable. Anyway, going on to British Heart Foundation now. Let's see if I can find my brick and the fiction book. I think that's all I really need. Oh, and some shoes for Hannah. I just tried to redeem the voucher because I parked in Sainsbury's car park. So I thought, oh, I was buying something from Sainsbury's. It doesn't say anywhere, but you have to spend £5 or more. So I just waited, called my mum while she has loads of kids. Waited at the checkout for ages because no one was coming to me. I needed help. And then I didn't even need to come in here anyway. So that was a waste of time. Anyway, I'm going to go back to my car and I'll explain sort of happened in the charity shop. So it really annoyed me. Okay, I'm back in the car. So I thought I'd explain to you what happened in the Sea Rider, because I think this is so rude, and also I just feel like, I'm not sure if people don't understand the etiquette or understand charity shops, or if people just want to be rude. So basically, in that Sea Rider, they've got a really, really big bric-a-brac section, and they had this really cute little basket. I say little, it wasn't that little, it was quite a big basket. The lady held it up and said to the man behind the till, from quite far away, so basically yelled at the man, "How much is this?" And then she went, "50p?" And he was like, "Oh no, it's not." And then she was like, "25p?" And he was just like, "Oh no, like that's not how much it is." And then she didn't even kind of give him a chance to speak. And then she was just like, and he went, "Do you want me to tell you how much it is? Do you want me to price it up?" Because obviously didn't have a price on. And she's like, "No, I was giving you an offer of 50 or 25 pence. And he was just like, "No, that's," and she's like, "What? Why not?" And he was just like, "Well, this is quite a big shop, quite a lot of rent, you know, like that's just not how much it is." Anyway, she sort of like huffed and put it down. And then she was speaking to her friends really loudly, like very loudly. The whole entire shop could hear. And she's like, "This is ridiculous. It's so rude. That man is the rudest man ever." And then she was just like, yeah, she was saying how rude he was, and then saying, "Well, I know charity shops don't have to pay that much rent because I used to work in charity shops. I know how much it is. Charity shops are meant to help people by being cheap." I really wanted just to butt in and be like, "No, you've offered him a far too cheap price for that item. The item is worth more." And also, whenever I hear people say this sort of thing, bargain, barter, whatever, I'm like, the money goes to charity. Like, do people not understand that they're trying to raise the most money they can for this charity? Also, the charity shop's got targets I have to hit, like by head office. Like, oh, it makes me so angry. And I felt so bad for the poor man. And they literally were speaking for probably like 5-10 minutes in earshot of this man about how rude and how horrible he is and how they'll never shop in here again. Which, to be fair, good. Like, they shouldn't ever shop in there again. They shouldn't be allowed to shop in there again. I just think they were just so rude. And I reckon if someone went up to him and said, "Hi, I'm really sorry, this doesn't have a price on, could you tell me how much it is?" He probably would have only said to her £3. Like, it wouldn't have been that much. Anyway, really annoying. But I've got my bits now. Annoying that I couldn't redeem the car parking money in Sainsbury's, but it was only £2. I just thought I'd try. I'm going to drive home now, and then I'm going to show you what I got on this video, I think, because the bits I got for myself are just like little odd bits and pieces. Anyway, I'm going to go. I'll see you when I get back. Okay, so I am back from shopping. I've had some lunch, I've had some chill time, and I'm going to show you what I picked up. Now, I did pick up quite a few things that I can't really show you because they are for future videos or for stuff on Instagram. As I mentioned, I'm doing a couple of different challenges at the moment. So I'm going to briefly, if you're quick, show you them because who doesn't like a little tease? So, first item, second item, third item. That's what you're getting of them ones because they are for secret projects. Stay tuned, subscribe if you're not already, and go on Instagram to check out what them pieces are. But I picked up 3 things myself. I'm going to show you what they are. So the first 2 things were from the Reloves at Little Haven store. So these were £1 each, and they're just some really funky earrings. So let's open these together. As you guys know, I'm really partial to a funky earring, and I think these are going to be perfect for holiday. I just think they're quite fun, quite bold. I think they're very summery to me. I think it's something about kind of this wickery style earring that screams summer. Now, these are quite big. These are probably the biggest kind of earring I would wear. And the next one are these ones. Let's get these ones out. I said these were £1 each. If you haven't been to that Relove store and you like your designers, definitely get down there because they have lots of designers in there. But I thought these, they've got kind of like a gem sort of thing at the top, and then little pom-poms. I think they're really cute. Again, quite summery. I think they're really fun. And then finally, because they were £1 each, from St Francis Hospice, this was £4. It's just this really big scarf that says, someone told me it says "I love you." I don't know, it's something in French. But I just thought the colours on this are gorgeous. So one side's like red and pink and one side's pink and red. But I just think this, with my pink trousers I got from Sense in Hull, would be such a vibe. Like, it's so soft. It's originally Miss Selfridge, and I just think it's really cute. You can wear it like that, you can wear it like that. I love how I'm showing you how to style a scarf, but I just think So cute. So that's everything I picked up. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming along to Brentwood with me. Subscribe if you're not already. Comment what your favourite item was. Subscribe. I think I've already said that, but subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.